Morning. Man, what a beautiful night. Had the windows opened up again, and I slept good. Man, did I sleep good. Little overcast this morning. Probably in the 60s. Feels beautiful. But I'll go over here and show you something. I got to do it from this side because you won't be able to see it from the other side. But right there, the base plate. I just put 6 feet up and put my Starlink on it. And I couldn't get this thing to work for nothing. It was constantly dropping, getting like 3 megabytes. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? Woke up this morning and the thing's working. So I got internet. I can upload. I'm uploading a video right now while I'm sitting here. I started it about 10 minutes ago, and it's like at 70% already. So I am so happy that I have internet. Not that I need it, but I like to watch YouTube. I like to go on there and learn about stuff and see other people's ideas. And I'm hoping that y'all out there watching me do this might pick up a few ideas of something to do, whatever it is you're doing. I don't care. But, and plus, I like to still be in somewhat contact with the outside world. So I'm going to run up to the restaurant. I'm going to grab breakfast. And then today's going to be, I got a yard cart to build. I got this. It's going to be just doing odds and ends things. There's really nothing. I do got to put another strap on the panel, electrical panel, for the plug I put in there. And one more, I was thinking about this last night, one more for the pipe coming out of the ground. So I'm going to go grab breakfast. And then I'll be back. Let's see if we can get these off here. Probably a little noisy in here, but like I said, doing just odd jobs today. One more. issue right here. Nope. Hopefully this one goes just as good. Where is it? Way up there. Where are you at? There it is. All right. Let's see how hard this is going to get out. Holy crap. All right, this. Looks like it's together. Right now I'm just throwing all my cardboard in the back of the truck. I'm going to burn it off later. Actually, now thinking this. All right, so it's raining. I don't know if you can see up there. Let me zoom in. On top, there's some clear plastic, clear roofing, just to let the light in. And they got holes in them. And these were under the barn, but they're in bad shape. So seeing how it's raining, guess I'll run into town and see if I can find a couple pieces of that stuff. Okay, town trip. Oh, and Wi-Fi, my Starlink is awesome. It is cranking out the megabytes. All right, so picked up the plastic for the roof. Got 2 pieces of it. And they're 8 foot long. And that is, I'll set this down right here for now. And that is how big the hole is in the roof. So I think what I'm gonna do, I gotta figure this out. Yeah, I got some ciphering to do. All right, so those things aren't gonna work. Those right there, they're 8 foot long and the opening is 8 foot long. And I gotta overlap it on the roof a little bit, so I gotta take them back. I was kind of wondering about that. I measured up there and I got right around 10 feet, but it overlaps the roof. And all they had was 8 footers. So I was like, you know what, let me pick up 2 of them and I'll see, but they're not gonna work. I gotta find some 10 footers. Now there is a metal roofing place down the road, about 5 miles. So maybe I'll go talk to them and see what they have. They might have that stuff. I don't know.